Picture this. Tonight, you look up. You spot a moving dot, maybe two. But what if I told you there are over 10,000 satellites up there right now, and two-thirds belong to one guy? Seriously, Elon Musk's SpaceX has built what amounts to a private artificial moon. Starlink now outnumbers every single visible star in your sky. Earth's orbit, 2026, 15,200 satellites. That's not a typo. It's 5 times what we had just 6 years ago. Need a sense of scale? There are more satellites than McDonald's locations in the entire United States. But Starlink's not alone in this space race. China's Guowang and Tianfan constellations, 1,500 satellites and counting, aiming for 13,000 by 2030. Amazon's Project Cooper is just getting started, targets 3,200 satellites, with launches kicked off last year. And let's not forget OneWeb, 650 satellites in the sky, making them the third biggest, but nowhere near Starlink scale. All the rest, military, GPS, weather, science, together make up just 3,000. It's like a city where 66% of the buildings are owned by one landlord. That's right. SpaceX now runs 2/3 of all active satellites. Imagine if Domino's delivered 2 out of every 3 pizzas on Earth. How does this even happen? SpaceX launches satellites in gigantic batches, sometimes 54 at once in a single day. Every week, another 50 new Starlink satellites join the swarm. That's like building a skyscraper's worth of satellites every 7 days. Back in 2010, launching a satellite was a special event. In 2025, we put almost 2,500 satellites into orbit in a single year. That's a 25-fold jump in launch rate. We went from occasional pizza deliveries to one every half hour, except it's rockets. So what does all that hardware weigh? Try 16,200 tons. That's 2,700 African elephants circling the planet. And not all that mass is working for us. A lot of it is dead satellites, rocket parts, and junk, turning orbit into a cosmic landfill. With so much hardware whizzing around, the risk of accidents keeps rising. The FCC now sends out 100 near-collision alerts a day. That's like getting a traffic near-miss warning every 14 minutes. Only it's in space, and the highways never close. Worst case? Kessler syndrome. One crash could trigger a chain reaction, turning usable orbit into a no-go zone for decades. Still, people want that Starlink connection. Over 5 million subscribers worldwide, more than Los Angeles can hold. And here's a trip. For the first time ever, there are more Starlink satellites in the sky than stars you can see with your eyes. Look up on a clear night. You'll probably see a Starlink train, a line of satellites brighter than most stars. Astronomers? Not thrilled. It's like someone drew chalk lines across the universe. Future telescopes will have to work around a glowing grid. Remember the International Space Station? Once the king of orbit, now just one cruise ship drifting in a sea of speedboats. So, what's next? SpaceX is launching another 50 satellites this week alone. By the time you finish this video, Earth's private moon just got a little bigger. If you could put anything in orbit, science lab, space pizza shop, even your old Xbox, what would you launch up there? Drop your wildest answer in the comments. I want specifics.